Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in every practical sense, large way. Velo, all things considered, has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo's EMA10 basically shows a very descending pattern, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which explicitly is very critical. 02 September 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to respond to these much of the time, sought clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo. Explicitly, is Velo a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Velo support and opposition levels and so on in every way that really matters, significant way. However, prior to plunging profound into the Velo specialized examination, certainly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,044,536,289,332, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $29,925,801,445 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%, which sort of is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.59%. Coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, which is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time period, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.14 and right now exchanging at 50 cents. Which basically is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense shows that 02 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually for the most part. Sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What by and large is essentially transient cost expectation for Velo? Explicitly, is Velo a fundamentally wise interest? Incredibly, these occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending course for essentially present moment. Further appearance. How these occasions generally show that the market fundamentally is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment. Or so they for the most part thought. As of now, a kind of broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly shows that 02 September 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally clarified pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo? Especially, is Velo a genuinely wise venture in opposition to prevalent thinking? Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors certainly become move kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an extremely significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo sort of is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which shows that 02 September 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and all things considered, attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo in every way that really matters? Is Velo a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? However, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a truly complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in a truly significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 02 September 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of beneath, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA2 in a real sense. Examine the future development of the Velo, which by and large shows that. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally shows that 02 September 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is certainly transient cost expectation for Velo, for the most part, is Velo a wise interest in a really significant manner? The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Velo coin in a real sense is an oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 30, exhibiting that 02 September 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Velo? Truly is Velo an excellent venture? Or so they generally thought. The Velo United States dollar moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, truly is showing a genuinely momentary sell commonly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath truly signal line, which especially implies explicitly bears generally are ruling on the lookout in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Velo's Williams %R pointer truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold